Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudia's. So for today's video, I'll be giving you a glimpse of my backyard garden. Also, I will be showing you how I plant my vegetables and the tools you will need. Stay tuned. So welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. For today's video, I am going to show you how I transplant my vegetables. So this is the area where I'll be planting. So I've gone ahead and prepared the soil. Now I will be getting my vegetables and transplant them to this area along with other areas, but we're going to focus on this section for now. So here I have some baby lettuce and some pop chow, and these are what I will be planting. So I will go ahead and I will start with the lettuce. So the first step is to locate the area we're going to be planting and just dig a hole, and then you will set like so. That's one down. So thanks to you, my viewers. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, and also subscribing to my channel. Continue sharing. Feel free to drop me a note in the description below. Let me know what you think about my backyard garden. And remember to hit that notification bell for more videos.
I love to eat apples.